Hello guys, welcome to my channel Media Creation Club. Today's second part of the yesterday's video, how we can do the simple way and easiest way wiring keycard with the contactor. So I'm going to show you in this video how we can do the wiring a keycard with the contactor and then connect the load. So everything you can get in this video. Yesterday I already show you the simple and easiest way how we can wiring the keycard with the load. So today I'm just put the additional how we can use the keycard with the contactor. So everything we see how we connect the keycard. After that we connect the contactor. After that we put the different load. So how we can do it all. So I'm going to show you this video. If you are new in my channel, please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Press the bell icon for the latest updates. So let's go to our topic, part 2, keycard with the contactor. How if we use the contactor? So how if we use the contactor together this keycard? Now I'm going to show you the simple and easiest way how we can connect the contactor with the keycard and then load. This one using the high amperes high voltage load. So our keycard give to supply this contactor and then contactor will pass supply to the load. So this one for the heavy voltage aircon or whatever in our house the appliances very heavy voltage, so we must use the keycard. We cannot put the heavy load directly to the keycard will only can take if directly we use only the for the around 5 to 10 amp. If the extra voltage you need to use. So I'm going to show you now again how we can connect this contactor. So let's start. So we take out this one output. Okay, so we take another cable, we take out from the output and give to our contactor. As you can see the contactor, this one is the coil connections. Once we give to supply this A1 or A2 is for the neutral or phase. You can twist anything. Normally this one is the main incoming for this contactor. So we give the supply to this one. Once supply incoming, it's automatically on, the contact will on. So this one is 4 lines for the contacts incoming and outgoing. This one for the load. So once we give to the supply, the contact automatically on. So like this. So I give the supply first. This one I give the live in the A1. Okay. So we take another neutral. Neutral we give to the A2. This one also we can take from neutral anywhere in your board. I just taking from here just for the example. We can use the neutral. So as you can see, this one is incoming live, incoming neutral. Then we give the load neutral, and then this neutral for the contactor supply, and then this outgoing of the key card we give to the contactor. So this one is incoming for the contactor. So now we give any supply from MCB, or we directly take from here to give this one to supply this one. And then our load we can put here, how many we have, air con, we have bulb, or we have any other fridge or whatever. So we can use here the our load. So I'm going to put this one, the load cable. So this one is our load. I take one more additional load. So for the example, I use this fan for the example, and then I give also from another point of the contactor. Then neutral of this fan I can join with the neutral, we can join anywhere, it doesn't matter. Okay friends, so what we do, we just here we can loop the upper the contactor, we can loop like this to for the giving supply. I take one more cable for the incoming. You can take from any MCB or directly from the keycard also. This one is incoming, you can take from the anywhere for the giving supply. The main supply of the keycard we already gave, this one for the load. So in this case I am taking from here. Normally we can take from the MCB, main MCB or RCCB. So I just using here, not using here any MCB or RCCB, because after you get difficulties for the understanding. So here is the all connections. As you can see, this one is incoming key card. Then from the incoming we give the contactor, this one for the supply for the load. As you can see, this one for the supply for the load, and then this supply outgoing, the bulb or fan or air con or whatever we take from these four contacts. This one actually for the contact, the once we insert the key card, the supply come here, then on this contactor. If on this contactor, this contactor must got power to give to the load, so we give already. And then for this contactor supply, the main coil we take from output from here. Then neutral we can join all together. As you can see, neutral all we can join together in our junction box or whatever. Even this air con or fan or bulb or any light or any accessories we can neutral, normally we join together. So neutral is no any issue. So outgoing you can give the coil A1 you can output keycard or energy saving switch, you can give the A1. Then A2 you use for the neutral. A2 also you can see here, any of here you can give the neutral or live, and then you can give here neutral or live, it doesn't matter, but you need to main incoming you can give to this A1 and A2. So hope you understand the connections. Now we are trying. So I on the switch, then as you can see I just insert the card. Okay, so contactor is working. As you can see, contactor, you listen already. I take out the card for the 10 seconds. is you can listen the contactor. Once we insert the card, contact supply, this A1 give the supply to contactor, and then contactor, this one is in. If this contactor is in, the supply going through by contactor to give our load. So hope you understand the connections. See, okay friends, hope you understand the connections, all everything. If this video is going to helpful for you, if you like this video, don't forget to thumbs up, and please subscribe my channel, press the bell icon for the latest updates. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video with the latest updates. Thank you for watching.